On TechVerse, today we're uncovering tools that can completely change the way you work with wood. And honestly, a few of these will make you wonder why you didn't find them years ago. These aren't just random gadgets, but carefully chosen tools that improve speed, accuracy, and finish. And yes, you'll find all the Amazon links for every product right in the description. Skipping this video could mean missing tools that make your workflow twice as easy. Now let's reveal the first game changer. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. You're working on a flooring or trim project, and suddenly every corner seems slightly off. Instead of guessing angles or struggling with complex measurements, the Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge simplifies the process. You just place it against the corner, lock the angle, turn and transfer it directly onto your material with precision. Its push and lock mechanism keeps everything steady, while the design allows it to double as a marking gauge when needed. For anyone dealing with irregular angles, this tool removes the guesswork and delivers clean, accurate results every time. Woodpeckers, Paolini pocket rules. When you're making repeated cuts or marking consistent measurements, even a tiny error can ruin the entire piece. The Woodpeckers' Paolini pocket rules are designed to eliminate that problem. You slide the built-in stop to your exact measurement, lock it in place, and every mark becomes perfectly repeatable. It works just as well for setting blade heights or checking depths, thanks to its compact and precise design. Built from durable materials with clear markings, it's a tool that stays reliable over time. For precision work, this ruler turns small adjustments into consistent, professional results. Axminster Rider 3-in-1 Plane. You're fine-tuning a joint and realize switching between multiple planes is slowing everything down. The Axminster Rider 3-in-1 Plane solves that by combining a shoulder plane, chisel plane, and bullnose plane into one compact tool. With simple adjustments, you can switch configurations depending on how tight or detailed the work is. It allows you to get right into corners, trim tenons cleanly, and refine joinery with control. The solid build and smooth blade adjustment make it reliable in delicate tasks. For detailed woodworking, this tool keeps everything precise without constantly changing setups. JetJaws S, Oscillating Spindle Sander. Shaping curves by hand can quickly turn into a frustrating and uneven process. Count the JetJaws S, Oscillating Spindle Sander, takes that struggle away by combining rotation with an oscillating motion, giving you smooth, consistent sanding on curved edges. The tilting table helps you handle angled workpieces with better control, while the built-in dust port keeps your workspace cleaner. It also comes with multiple spindle sizes, so you can match the tool to different curves easily. For anyone working with detailed shapes, this machine delivers clean finishes without the usual effort. xTool F1 Ultra. You're trying to add detailed engravings to your projects, but traditional methods feel slow and limited. The xTool F1 Ultra changes that with a dual laser system that can handle wood, metal, acrylic, and more with impressive precision. Its built-in camera helps you position designs accurately, so you don't waste material on misalignment. The high-speed engraving capability means even complex patterns are completed in seconds, not hours. Whether you're personalizing products or creating intricate designs, this tool turns creative ideas into clean, professional results with far less effort. Infinity Tools DIY Quick Snap Dust Separator. You're in the middle of a project, and your shop vacuum suddenly loses suction because it's packed with fine dust and debris. The Infinity Tools DIY Quick Snap Dust Separator fixes that by capturing chips and dust before they ever reach your vacuum. It easily attaches to a standard 5-gallon bucket, creating a simple but effective pre-separation system. This keeps your vacuum running efficiently and reduces filter clogging. Setup is quick, and maintenance becomes far less frequent. For any workshop, this tool helps keep your workspace cleaner while extending the life of your equipment. Trend Pocket Hole Alignment. Clamp. You're assembling a cabinet or frame using pocket holes, and keeping both pieces perfectly aligned becomes the hardest part. The Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp is designed to hold everything exactly in place while you drive the screws. Its ratcheting handle applies consistent pressure, and the quick release mechanism makes repositioning fast and easy. The non-marring pads protect your work surface from damage, which is crucial for finished pieces. It's lightweight but strong enough for repeated use. For cleaner joints and faster assembly, this clamp makes alignment simple and reliable every time. Laguna Tools SuperBrush. You're working on a panel or detailed surface, and sanding by hand just isn't giving you a consistent finish. The Laguna Tools SuperBrush is built to handle that with precision. Its adjustable brush system allows you to work on flat surfaces, edges, and even slight contours without uneven results. With variable speed control and precise height adjustment, you can fine-tune the sanding process based on your material. The conveyor-style feed keeps everything moving smoothly, reducing manual effort. For larger projects or repeated finishing work, this tool delivers uniform results with far less time and effort. WORKPRO Professional Palm Sander WP 472401. You're finishing a tabletop or cabinet surface, and uneven sanding marks start to show. The WORKPRO Professional Palm Sander WP 472401 makes that stage much more controlled and consistent. Its 1/3 sheet sanding pad covers a larger area, helping you smooth surfaces faster without missing spots. The corded design provides steady power, so performance doesn't drop during longer sessions. Its lightweight body and ergonomic grip reduce fatigue, giving you better control over the finish. For everyday sanding tasks, this tool offers a reliable way to achieve smooth, even results with minimal effort. Woodpeckers Mortise Base. You're cutting a mortise with a standard router, and keeping it perfectly controlled feels difficult. The Woodpeckers Mortise Base transforms your router into a far more stable and precise setup. It provides a wider base for better balance, along with micro-adjustment capability that lets you fine-tune positioning with accuracy. This makes it easier to cut clean mortises, consistent grooves, or even decorative patterns without drifting offline. When the solid construction keeps everything steady during operation. For anyone doing detailed routing work, this base adds the control needed for clean, repeatable results. Milescraft 8413. PinDoctor. You're replacing a door or making adjustments, and suddenly a stubborn hinge pin refuses to come out without damaging the surface. The Milescraft 8413 PinDoctor is designed to handle exactly that situation. Its clear body helps you align the tool precisely over the hinge, while the hardened steel pin transfers the impact cleanly when tapped with a hammer. This allows you to remove hinge pins without slipping or scratching surrounding areas. It also works just as easily for reinstalling pins. For a small, simple tool, it solves a common problem quickly and keeps your work damage-free. Einhell Professional Cordless Planer TP-PL 18/3 LIBL. Now, you're leveling a rough board or adjusting a door, and dragging a corded planer around starts to slow you down. The Einhell Professional Cordless Planer TP-PL 18/3 LIBL gives you the freedom to work anywhere without sacrificing control. Its brushless motor delivers consistent performance, while the adjustable cutting depth allows precise material removal up to 3 millimeters per pass. The aluminum base keeps the tool stable, and features like V-grooves help with clean-edge chamfering. With dual chip ejection and an ergonomic grip, it stays comfortable during longer jobs. For flexible, accurate planing, this tool keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. You're installing cabinet doors on your own, trying to hold the door, align it, and secure the hinges at the same time, and everything keeps shifting. The Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig is built to make that process simple. It supports the door in position while you work, freeing up your hands and keeping alignment consistent. The jig offers multiple position settings and includes micro-adjustment shims for fine-tuning. It works with both left and right-hand doors, making it versatile for different setups. For clean, accurate installations without frustration, this jig makes solo work much easier. RYOBI 2-in-1 Speed Bench Mobile Workstation. You're moving between tasks or job sites, and setting up a stable workspace every time becomes a hassle. The RYOBI 2-in-1 Speed Bench Mobile Workstation solves that by converting from a mobile cart into a full workbench in one smooth motion. It offers a sturdy surface with built-in clamping options and measurement markings for quick setups. And with a high weight capacity and large all-terrain wheels, it's designed to handle heavy loads while staying easy to move. For anyone needing flexibility without sacrificing stability, this workstation keeps your workflow efficient wherever you go. Gohelper 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler. You're working on a complex layout with multiple angles, and switching between different measuring tools starts to slow everything down. The Gohelper 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler simplifies that by combining several functions into one compact tool. It allows you to mark 90-degree cuts, draw parallel lines in fine increments, and measure angles within its designed range, all with consistent accuracy. Made from CNC machined aluminum with clear, laser-etched markings, it stays durable and easy to read over time. For detailed layout work, this tool helps you move faster while keeping every measurement precise. Festool 4900294 FastFix Eccentric. Chuck, you're trying to drive a screw close to a wall or inside a tight corner, and a standard drill simply won't fit straight. The Festool 4900294 FastFix Eccentric Chuck is designed for exactly these situations. It attaches quickly using the FastFix interface and allows off-center drilling and driving without losing control. The chuck rotates, letting you position the bit precisely where space is limited. This makes it possible to work cleanly along edges and in confined areas. For tight space applications, this attachment gives you access and accuracy that a regular setup cannot provide. Gohelper 8-inch removable square fence. You're marking cuts with a framing square, but even a slight movement throws off your accuracy. The Gohelper 8-inch removable square fence helps lock everything in place so your measurements stay consistent. It attaches securely to your square and keeps it firmly against the edge of the workpiece, eliminating gaps and shifting. The CNC machined aluminum body adds durability, while the brass thumb knobs make adjustments quick and stable. It works well on both thin and thick boards. For precise layouts and repeatable cuts, this tool keeps your lines clean and reliable every time. Wolfcraft Easy Door Frame. Jig 3675000. You're installing a door frame and trying to keep everything perfectly aligned, but wedges and temporary supports keep shifting out of place. The Wolfcraft Easy Door Frame. Jig 3675000 simplifies the entire process by clamping directly onto the frame and holding it steady during installation. It maintains both vertical and horizontal alignment, so you don't have to constantly recheck positioning. This reduces setup time and removes much of the guesswork. For clean, accurate door installations without extra hassle, this jig keeps everything exactly where it needs to be. Bridge City DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig. You're drilling into a piece and need the hole perfectly centered, but keeping the drill steady by hand often leads to slight errors. The Bridge City DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig is designed to guide your drill with precision across flat, round, or angled surfaces. Its centering system helps align the bit accurately, while the hardened drill bushings keep the drilling path consistent. The compact design makes it easy to position even in tight setups. For clean, repeatable drilling without guesswork, this jig ensures every hole lands exactly where it should. Milescraft 4012 SquareClampKit. You're assembling a frame or cabinet and keeping corners perfectly at 90 degrees, while tightening clamps feels almost impossible alone. The Milescraft 4012 SquareClampKit is designed to hold your pieces firmly in place, ensuring accurate right-angle alignment during assembly. Its cam lever mechanism applies quick, consistent pressure, while the pads protect surfaces from damage. The sturdy body keeps everything stable as you secure joints. Whether you're working on furniture, frames, or boxes, this tool helps maintain clean, square corners without constant adjustments. That wraps up 20 smart woodworking tools that can genuinely improve how you work. If you found something useful, let me know which tool caught your attention. And don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to TechVerse for more practical tools and tech that actually make a difference.